Time now for this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla. What is that? GR stands for Gazoo Racing. Final assembly location, Toyota Aichi, Japan. Available trim levels, Core, Premium, and Premium Plus. Reviewed trim level is the 5-door Premium Plus. This is a compact little sedan. All new in 2023. Exterior features include oversized front grille, gives it a menacing face, in my opinion. Bulging fenders can barely hold the big 18-inch wheels. Air vents at the rear of each front fender. Severely raked windshield. This is not some sort of a do-over of your standard Corolla. No, it's not. It's its own car. They just used the Corolla name. It has a black roof panel on the top of it. The car just looks fast. Several 30-year-old dads that I ran into in different parking lots around town stopped me. Oh, man, I love that car. I'm going, you do? I had no clue. It's got a cult following.
It does.
And I'll give you the actual competitors to it here in just a second. What could use improvement? Nothing. I'm sure that the aftermarket boys are all over this car. Interior highlights, big bolstered seats with GR logo emblazoned on the headrests, embroidered too. Traction adjustment between the shifter and the cup holder. G-meter and other performance displays in the changeable instrument cluster. Small screen works well as far as the infotainment screen is concerned. Cargo, trunk room, tiny. What I liked about it, you can toss it around like your old little 8th grade girlfriend. What could use improvement? No leg room in the back seat. 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine, 300 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque, 8-speed automatic transmission. A manual is also available. Jeff, are you blushing? He's blushing.
No, I'm fine.
No, you're not. I can't believe you just said that. Miles per gallon.
I can't believe I didn't say that.
19 city, 27 highway for a combined at 22. It's not a lot, but remember, it's a race car. I got 25.4 miles per gallon.
That's pretty good.
Over 385.6 miles. What I liked about it? Powerful fun for a little motor. What could use improvement? I don't know, more power. I'm sure the aftermarket's got it. Toyota needs to rethink calling it a Corolla, though. I kind of compare it to the Ford Mustang Mach-E. Has no relationship to the Mustang whatsoever. Okay. That's the same thing for this. This is a Corolla? No, it's not. It's its own thing. They're just using the Corolla name. I don't like the way they do that. Anyway, what I liked about the ride and handling, all-wheel drive, stiffened structure with a different floor pan underneath it. Extra welds are included. Plus, this one had a $720 option called the chassis brace in the cargo area. What could use improvement? Nothing. I love factory race cars. Base trim price, $47,515. Prices tested, $50,433. Base model price for this car is $39,160. This is the hopped up version of it. All right, now, as far as competitors, Volkswagen Golf R starts at $47,100, which is the base trim price of this one. Subaru WRX is $37,750, not as powerful. Honda Civic Type R, $45,595. This is a fun car, and I'm telling you, be ready for being stopped in parking lots by random guys that are about 30-ish or so. Last week, I had a guy stop me. He had his wife and his 2 kids with him, small children. Man, I sure do like that car. So you want to look into it? He says, oh, no, I've already looked into it. I'm drooling as we speak. I'm trying to talk the wife into spending the money. They're going to buy it.
You said you had 25 miles a gallon, which is good. Did you do the toss around? Did you drive it?
Not really.
Okay, you just did it normal.
Yeah, I did. But you could tell this car will go 100 miles an hour around a corner easy. It's just that kind of car.
Go-kart.
Got the feel.
Yeah,
the sticky feel.
Most definitely. Okay. Hey, if you'd like to get in touch with us, shoot us an email. The address here is info@InWheelTime.com. We'll be back after this quick break.